As you can see, this is not my phone, but I will be able to check the contacts, the phone calls, the locations, everything they had. I'll be able to track them to see. Hello my favorite people, I hope you're doing great. If you know you are parents and you have children or you have family, this video is very important to you. As you can see, this is SpyX, or some people call it SpyX. This is very important for families and for those who have children. Okay, and as you all know that we are now in 2026 where almost everyone is using mobile phones. So if as parents, if you want to track the record of your children, what exactly those your children are doing with their mobile phones for security purposes, this is what you need to use. All right, I'm going to mention all the important parts of this application, and registration of this is very simple. Everyone can do it, and I'm going to show you the process step by step, all right, on how to do it. Okay, so one of the most important part of this website is that parents can clear their misunderstanding, and you can keep your eye on your children, and not only your children but your elderly, like your parents. If you have parents, you can also track what they are doing across their social medias, because of the insecurity we are having right now, because of the scams and all of that. All right, and your children, you will be able to protect your children from getting harm from people that will try to use social media to influence your children. All right, you can track their record and know exactly what they are doing on the internet. All right, so under this SpyX monitored over 40 mainstream social media, like the WhatsApp, like the Facebook, like the Twitter, and all these huge social media platforms. You can monitor what exactly your child is doing with his mobile phone. Exactly. All right, you can check his call logs, you can check his records, you can check the exact time that he called and he get called, and you can see all his contact details. All right, all on this website, and I'm going to show you exactly the step by step how you are going to do that. All right, and you can check his SMS messages also. Even if he deleted them or she deleted them, you will be able to see them as their parents. You have every right to do this. All right, and the next thing is you can also check location. You can track the location of where your child is when he's outside. All right, you can see on your mobile phone that he is so in so place. All right, and it is very super easy to set up. You don't need to have this knowledge of computer or phone to do it. Everyone can do it. As long as you watch this video from the beginning to the end, you will be able to set everything. All right, and it is very easy. All right, you can quietly watch everything comfortably with your mobile phone. You can just scroll and watch your child WhatsApp and see what he's doing on his Instagram and see what he's doing everywhere. All right, this application will protect your family from cyberbullying, stranger romance, like people that will try to meet your child in person through mobile phone. You can be able to detect that. Also, addiction to harmful content, like your child may be addiction to something that you will be able to see his photos and his videos. Also, you can track all that on his phone, and your child might end up running into bad people. Yes, if he's getting in contact with everyone, he might end up getting contact with people he's not supposed to get contact with, and it might not end well. All right, and even if we delete the SMS and the call history, you will be able to see them also. All right, so what we are going to do, as you can see here, is the website. I'm going to drop the link to this website on the description of this video. All right, it's very easy. Let me show you the steps that you are going to do to make sure that everything is working. All right, so what you are going to do, as you can see, you just need to press on what? Start monitoring. As you can see here, when you log into the website, when you touch the website, they will ask you to log in with your email. Then you can go with your email or with whatever type of login you want to go with. Then as you can see, I'm going to press monitoring now, right now. Okay, so as you can see, I press on monitoring. So as you can see here, select the type of device you want to monitor. Which device do you want to monitor? If it's an iPhone, you go with the first one. If it is an Android, you go with Android. So for this video, I'm going to use the Android part down here. So I'm going to click on Android. When I click on Android, as you can see, we have two options here. All right, so as long as you have the access to the mobile phone of your son, you can just take the phone. It will only take you 15 minutes, as you can see, to set everything up. All right, so as you can see, when your child is maybe probably far away from you, you can use the second option, which is the use of Google account. If you have the Google account of your child, you can just log into your phone and you will be able to monitor. Let me show you what you will be able to monitor. All right, this is the available data. You can see his text messages, you can see the location, you can read his WhatsApp, you can check his photos and videos, keep and email address, contact, browser history, browser bookmark, and Wi-Fi networks. You will be able to check all these things. All right, as you can see, they are not the complete details that you want, but the first one here got every detail you needed. All right, as you can see, this is the things that you will be able to monitor. All right, as you can see, we have GPS location, call logs, photos and videos, Wi-Fi networks, calendar, contact, install apps, email, browser history, keylogger, keyword alert, screen recording, surrounding recording, screenshot, block apps, block Wi-Fi. All right, these are the things that you'll be able to do. You will be able to block some apps and block Wi-Fi. All right, and as you can see, social networks, we have the WhatsApp, Line, Messenger, Telegram, Viber, Tinder, TikTok, Kik, Snapchat, Teams, QQ, WeChat, and Instagram, all on this first one. All right, so I think we are going with the first one. All right, because it gets more details. All right, so I'm going to choose the first one. As you can see, so when you choose the first one, this is exactly what they are going to do. I'm going to use another phone here to show you exactly what to do. First of all, if you have your phone, as you can see, this is my phone, so I'm going to take my child phone and I'm going to do exactly what they asked me to do here. All right, I'm going to show you what to do when it. So as you can see, this is my child phone and I'm going to use it exactly. I'm going to show you. When you look down here, you're going to see Play Store. First of all, you need to touch on Play Store like this. When you click on Play Store, you look up here where you see my profile, to the right, up to the right, then you click on it like this. When you click on it, that you come down to where you see Play Protect. All right, Play Protect, as you can see here, then you click on it. When you click on it, you are going to see this. You look up here to the right, you're going to see settings. Then you touch on settings. As you can see, you need to turn off these parts, these. All right, you'll be able to turn them off. All right, then you need to put your password in here. So as you can see, you have to put your password to turn them off. All right, so when you turn this off, what you are going to do next, you have to go to then you go to your browser. You just go directly to your browser and search for this website. All right, let me show you. So as you can see, make sure you have two of your phones, your mobile phone and that of your child's mobile phone. All right, so as you can see, when you go to your browser, you come here, you search for SpyX, then x.cc like this. Then you have to search for it. As you can see, this is the exact website. As you can see, it will take you here. All right, it's very easy. Then what they are going to ask you here is you need to slide, just slide from here to your right. You need to slide to download, to begin download. As you can see, when you slide like that, it will start downloading. As you can see, your application is downloading. As you can see, we have already downloaded the application. So what we are going to do next, we are going to press open like this. As you can see, this is open. Then I'm going to, here is the application up here, and I'm going to install it. All right, so I'm going to, do you want to install this application? It does not require any special access. Then yes, I will install it. So it will allow me to install it. As you can see, the application is installed in my child phone. All right, so what you are just going to do is you just need to open the application. Like you can see, this is what you are going to see: allow app installation, this permission, what you have to, and I've shown you how to do that. All right, so what we are going to do, we are going to press continue. Permission, you are ready to roll. Let's get SpyX installed. All right, then I'm going to press install in here like this. When I press install, I have to wait for a few seconds for SpyX to finish installing. All right, so what you are going to see, you say allow or don't allow. So I'm going to press on allow. All right, so as you can see, you are ready to roll. Get SpyX installed. All right, so it is installing right now, so we have to wait a little bit for it to finish. Okay, So while you are installing, you are going to see a pop-up up here on this application on your phone. So when you touch it, it's going to show you this install. You have to look here. You have to look up here where you see. All right, wait, let me show you. When you go to the install part, as you can see, you turn this on. Let me show you. When you press continue like this, so when you press install, it's going to show you something like this. When you look down here, you see install, then you press on install like this. When here you press on continue. Okay, when you press on continue, it's gonna bring you here. Then you click on update service, and then you press on continue while using the app. Okay, you keep pressing allow. You allow it to access everything, every information you want. As you can see, allow, then you press on continue. Permissions, you need to look to where you see app permission like this, permissions here, up here. Then you press on permissions like this. When you press on permissions like this, it is going, you see location here, then you press allow all the time, as you can see. Then you go back. All right, on the next screen, go down, update service. Where is update service? You need to turn it on. Update service is off. As you can see, we turned it on. All right, then you press continue like this. When you press continue, then press what, activate. As you can see, you have unlocked 13 plus features with these permissions. Allow update, accept this permission to unlock 20. I'll quickly show you how exactly you are going to do. All right, so as you can see, I'm gonna go with the monitor now. So I'm going to press monitor now, as you can see. So this registration code here, so they are going to give you these codes. As you can see, these codes, then you are going to copy these codes like this here. When you copy these codes like this, then you have to go back to the app here. This is your child phone, and they will ask you for this code. All right, this is the same code you copy from the website, from the SpyX website. This is exactly the code. And then what, complete installation. Then you press complete installation like this. All right, so it's easy. You just need to follow step by step. It is very easy. Everyone can do it. Said what, congratulations, you have successfully set up monitoring. This installer can now be safely removed. All right, so if you like, you can remove the installer. All right, so and this, it is what it is. So you can just go directly and uninstall the application. You already have the information you want on your phone. So what you're going to do, you just need to go to your files. Also, you're going to see the folder out there on your files. Then you need to go and what, delete that folder. All right, so I'm going to go to downloads folders. So as you can see, guys, when you check your file manager, you look down, you're gonna see what, you're gonna see the application there. Then you need to go and delete it. When you delete it, you go to your browser. Also, if you have any browser, the same browser you used to download the application, go there and delete the history. All right, go and delete the history. Make sure there is no any clue, as you can uninstall it here or hide it. All right, so I can uninstall it from his phone. All right, because I am done already. I've already connected with my phone, so I am uninstalling it from his phone, so that not know, or she cannot know that I have connected it with my phone. As easy as that. All right, then the last thing is to go back to your phone. Then you take your phone, go back to the browser, the same browser you use. Then you continue. Or the next, congratulations, SpyX was successfully installed, and the data will start coming through in a bit. Access the track information from any browser in your account at SpyX dashboard. You don't need the target phone anymore. So as you can see, you can just give your son or your daughter the phone for them just to continue using the phone without them knowing that you have all their information on your phone, and that you will be able to see every single thing they do with their mobile phone. I think this is very easy. All right, so as you can see, I'm going to press complete because I already have the information, and I have gave away the phone in my hands. All right, so when it finish downloading, you're going to see every single thing that particular person is doing with his mobile phone. These are some features on my child phone. As you can see, I got all the information I want to get from my child. So these are the calls, this is location, this is contact, and we have install applications, Wi-Fi network, the calendar, and text messages and the videos are coming and the photos are coming. They are downloading now. So as you can see, my contacts are here already. Let me touch the contact. So as you can see, this is only contacts on my son's phone number. So if you have a daughter or a son, you will be able to check their contacts. You will be able to you'll be able to go through their contact, go through their chats, go through their WhatsApp, go through their Facebook. If you have children and you want to monitor every single things they do, I think this is the best way to track their record and everything they have. All right, so if you have a child and that child is using a mobile phone and you wanted to monitor exactly what he is doing with his mobile phone, this is the best application you're going to need. All right, so thank you for watching this video. If you know you are new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'm going to drop the link on the description of this video, the link to where you are going to do your registration and everything. All right, and watch this video step by step. You are going to see exactly what you are going to do to make this happen. It's easy. Thank you for watching and peace.